everyone. If you're not yet subscribed my channel, then subscribe it now and press the bell icon. Studying the lesson active and passive voice. Active to passive voice, in that we are going to see today passive voice of interrogative sentence. In the previous video we have studied passive voice of verbal question. In this video we are going to study passive voice of WH question. So what changes you have to make? Basic rules, identify subject, verb, object, take object on subject's place, then take auxiliary verb. All these rules we have already studied. Now only when WH question comes, what change we have to make, that we are going to study. So what is the rule? Keep WH word as it is and auxiliary verb. WH word and auxiliary verb you have to keep same and write the sentence according to the basic rules. Same WH word, same auxiliary verb you have to use, but rules we have to follow the previous rules. Let's see the example. How could they harden the bronze? How is WH word, could is auxiliary verb, they subject, harden main verb, the bronze object. How and could we have to keep as it is, isn't it? So how could, take object on subject's place, the bronze. Because here modal auxiliary verb is there, what we are taking for modal auxiliary verb? Be. So here what will come? Be. Then past participle of main verb harden. Then by, subject on object's place, then. How could the bronze be hardened by them? Where did you keep the book? Where WH word, did auxiliary verb, you subject, keep verb, and the book is object. So WH word you have to keep the same and auxiliary verb. Now here when do does did comes, you know it very well. When do does did comes, you have to take to be form of the verb. Am is or was, when here did is there, so was were. So did is there, so we are taking was according to the this object. This book is singular, so we are taking singular verb. Where was the book kept by you? Why should they permit such indiscipline? Why and should, as it is we have to take, they subject, permit, verb and such indiscipline object. So why should, keep as it is. Should is modal auxiliary verb, so we are going to take be, take objects. So how will be the answer? Why should such indiscipline be permitted by them? When did he buy the car? When WH word as it is you have to take. Your did is there, so was or were we have to take according to the object. The car is singular, so we are taking here was. When was, then object the car, past participle of by, bought, after by we are using by, and then subject on object's place he is there, so we are using him. When was the car bought by him? Why should I suspect you? Why and should will remain as it is. After that take object, take be, take past participle by and subject on object's place. Why should you be suspected by me? So in this way we have studied passive voice of WH question. Very simple. Only WH word and auxiliary verb we have to keep the same, and the basic rules what we have studied in the previous videos, those all rules wherever they are applied, wherever they are applicable, there we have to use them. To find out the sentence, what kind of sentence, think for some time and accordingly you use the rules. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, press the bell icon and share.